Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In Death Valley National Park's Racetrack Playa, a flat, dry lake bed, are 162 rocks, some weighing less than a pound, but others almost 700 pounds, that move periodically from place to place, seemingly of their own volition. Racetrack-like trails in the blank, mysterious migration. So, option choice A says, Playa's sediment mark the rock ka apostrophe s. So this is incorrect because for one there needs to be an apostrophe before the s in Playa's to highlight how this is the Playa sediment, because this is the sediment of the Playa area, the place. And then the apostrophe in rocks is incorrect because this apostrophe should be after the s to highlight that there are multiple rocks and they have their own mysterious migration. So A is, we can eliminate A because it uses incorrect apostrophes and it's lacking an apostrophe in Playa's. B, Playa apostrophe S sediment mark the rocks, no apostrophe. This is incorrect because although it does correctly use an apostrophe here in Playa's to highlight how this is the Playa sediment, there's no apostrophe in rocks to highlight these are the rocks' mysterious migration. So we can eliminate B because it has no apostrophe for rocks. C, Playa apostrophe S sediment mark the rocks apostrophe. This seems to be the correct answer because this properly uses apostrophe in Playa to show that there's one Playa and it has its sediments and there are multiple rocks and they have their own mysterious migration. So C seems to be the correct answer. D, Playa's apostrophe sediment mark the rocks apostrophe. This is incorrect because although it does correctly use the apostrophe after the s in rocks, it does not properly use the apostrophe in Playas because there's only one Playa, not multiple Playas. So we can eliminate D because of the incorrect use of the apostrophe in Playas. And with that, we're left with C as the correct answer.